Hi Geminis, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be for you guys from August 15th to the 31st for you all. So, if you've been following my zodiac readings, this is how I do them. I'll be first looking at the current energies for you guys, and then basis that I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the coming 15 days. So, while watching this, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So, take what resonates and leave what does not. A small tip as to how you can understand whether this reading is resonating with you. Um, just follow the current energies. If you are able to relate to the current energies, then pretty much the outcome will also resonate with you. All right. So that's how you get a fair bit of an idea whether this reading is meant for you or not. All right. So let us begin. We'll start with looking at the current energies for you guys. What's going on with you guys, Gemini? What's going on with you guys, Gemini? Knight of Pentacles, the Judgment, Ten of Cups. Okay. Wow. Nice energy. Okay, so what I see here for you guys is that you guys have a vision right now. Maybe you are seeing something. You are with someone at this point. This could be with your love life or for that matter for your career. You're with someone, you are in something, and you feel this has a very good potential. It can give you the happiness that you're looking for. And there has been an epiphanical moment, and that's what has made you feel that no, I don't want to let go of this situation at any cost because this gives you happiness no matter what happens. All right. Um, Now, having said that, I'm also seeing that somewhere you don't want to be absolutely transparent also at this point. Like maybe with this person, you don't want to say it all out loud that yes, this is what I feel. Because you want to take it ahead slowly. You don't really want to rush into things. You don't want to, do anything that is that could sabotage this whole situation. You don't want to do that. However, I'm seeing that feelings are strong, quite strong feelings from your side. You really feel happy with this person. Emotionally content is what I'm seeing. All right. You want to take things ahead slowly, gradually. You want to see where this goes. Okay. So, if this resonates with you, let's see what can you expect in the coming 15 days here. I'm going to be using my small tarot cards today. This was gifted to me by somebody. Tahir. Yes. Thanks, Tahir, if you're watching this. This is a beautiful deck. Let's see. What can you expect in the coming 15 days? August 15th to the 31st. Ten of Cups again. Amazing. Four of Wands. And the Emperor. Okay, so I see the determination becoming stronger and stronger with each passing day. Ace of Wands at the bottom of the deck. And I have Seven of Swords and Six of Swords and Five of Swords. So basically here what I'm picking up is that, see, from inside I feel you really want this connection in your life, okay? But you're trying to manipulate your feelings as much as you can. Like, maybe you come from that school of thoughts that, okay, I will manipulate myself as much as I can. If this is my destiny, then it will be there. But the point is, you cannot play with your destiny so much also. Okay? Can't do that so much. Like, it's okay. I understand that, yes, you want to see if this can stand the test of time, which is a very good thing. But the point is that you cannot be testing things a little too much. That can be bad. However, I see that you really want this in your life. You want it. You're pretty determined. Because somewhere you have some loneliness in your life. Okay? And maybe this person that you are with, this person could be having a tendency of leaving things like this with a snap of a finger and stuff like that. But you somehow are very pulled towards this person. Okay? And it's not like this pull is temporary or anything. You want to work on this situation is what I'm picking up. Okay? You're not sure. Probably you haven't felt this way before. Okay? And you're just trying to clarify as much as possible before you jump to any kind of a conclusion here. You want to be sure, be very, very sure before reaching a point of deciding that, okay, yes, this is it. You don't want to call it this is it till you know 100% that yes, this is it. Alright? So in the next 15 days, I'm seeing your confidence becoming stronger on this situation. Your manipulation reducing a bit if you're trying to manipulate yourself. And this is moving towards more and more stability. Okay? That's what I'm seeing. So if this resonates, let me see an advice for you in this situation. Let's see what is the advice for you, Gemini. What is the advice for you, Gemini? Between worlds. I don't know, for me, this is always a Gemini card already. So, I see your life moving towards a better direction. Okay, so don't be stubborn. That's the message. Don't be stubborn. Allow this change to happen. You're moving from darkness towards light in your life. So, you got to let it happen and let the transition happen slowly. Okay? Yes, and I think you will reach a decision making point very soon. Okay, so you got to be prepared. Okay, this will see if you. What I'm seeing is that once you choose a particular path, your life gets sorted, even more sorted. So you have to choose that path. See, right now, I think you're not choosing that path. You probably think that, okay, if I take this decision, should I not? You're still stuck there. But this is only taking you towards clarity. Try to understand this thing. This is only taking you towards clarity. So do that and don't manipulate the situation too much, because that's not what you need. Okay? Alright, so Gemini, that's what I have for you. I hope this reading resonated with you. Also, guys, I have two Instagram handles. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals. So you can check out both if you like crystal healing. So this page has all the information about crystals, and the link is there in the description. I have a tarot page where I do collective energy check-ins every day. So if that interests you, you can check that out as well. And thank you so much for watching. I shall see you soon again. Take care. Bye.